Hello everyone, my name is 𝐂𝐤𝐴𝐻 and welcome in Wallah platform. As you guys know, currently different IITs are announcing their MTech admission portal, and we are updating you for each and everything like placements, cutoff and all. So lots of the postgrad guidance related sessions are going on the Wallah channel. So if you talk about today's particular sessions, then IIT Goa also announced their MTech admission, and you have a chance to join there through the even the average grade scorecard, low grade scorecard. So application portal is active. Let's discuss the information browser. So MTech admission information browser is also available now, and here you can also check the complete details about the programs and everything is available here. So like first of all, Goa portal, IIT Goa portal is available from 26 March 26, and the last date is 23 April 26. So those students want to apply, they can apply before the last date is over. After that, like if you shortlist, they will give you the offer in the co-portal. So chemical engineering MTech courses are available. Total 10 seats. Like you can check 5 seats are there. MTech computer science, there are 3 specialization like artificial intelligence, computing systems, algorithm, logics and information. So total 12 seats are there. Electrical engineering, 3 specialization like e-mobility, power electronics, VLSI, micro engineering, signal processing and communication. These 3 specialization courses are there. Similarly, marine and technology courses are also available, and mechanical, fluid and thermal and design and manufacturing courses are there. So those students who want to apply, they can apply. IIT Goa is the new IIT, so you can also get from the average gate scorecard. So before the last date is over, you need to fill your application form. So if we talk about the gate paper requirement for computer science, CS students can apply. Electrical engineering department, electrical ECIN paper students can apply. Mechanical aerospace, PI, XC, ABCDE candidates can apply. Chemical and related discipline students can apply. Marine science also, marine related and interdisciplinary courses, multiple students can apply. So similarly, you can also check the other details are also available. So allocations of seats, they will shortlist you, and then accordingly they will give you the admissions. So complete admission related application links and everything is now available. So those students who want to apply, they can apply in IIT Goa. This is the new IIT, and even with the low gate scorecard you can get. How much gate scorecard required? We already created one session for you. You can join _PW Telegram channel, where you can check the link available, and by click on the link you are able to observe the placement and cutoff of IIT Goa. So let's meet on another video. Till then, goodbye, take care.